Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how to create an Angular environment. So before going to the video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to my video if you like it. Don't forget to click on the bell notification. Before going to the project, you should have a working folder which is called Angular projects, so that I'm creating a working folder for Angular projects right now. So once that is done, I have to install all the Node.js based packages. So the command is npm space install -g at angular/cli. So CLI is basically all Node.js specified packages which will install for the Angular environment. So once this packages is downloaded and installed, it will be ready to create Angular projects. If you already installed, it will just update the missing packages and it will give you the list of packages updated. So this is a command which is used basically to add new packages or update the existing packages. So now you see the packages are complete. Now we'll see the working the system folder of Node.js. Let me show you that right now. So these are the list which you can find. You can go through the API documentation in the official site, what each package can do. So these are the important packages which is supporting Angular specified. These are the commands basically which is used to manage your project. You can create a new project, build a new project, run the project, everything you can do using the CLI commands. So CLI commands is very important as far as Angular projects development is concerned. So next we'll see about the project specific commands after this. So I'm still listing out all the CLI interface commands to understand how to manage the projects. So we'll go to the library. This is a library folder which contains the basic NPM libraries, configurations. Additional utilities you want to use for your project. So these utilities will help you to perform the operations on top of your project. So coming back to the project, in the working folder you'll be creating all the Angular specific project. This is the command to create a new Angular project, ng space new and your project name. So which will allow you to create a new Angular project, which you'll be seeing the next episode. So this is basically about how to set up environment for the first time. In the next episode, we'll see how to create actual Angular project on top of Node.js. Thanks for watching this video. Till I post the next video, it's goodbye from Sridhar.